Hi, my name is Tim DeStasio, and I'm the owner-operator of Comfort Science Solutions based right here in Brunswick County, North Carolina. When you live near the coast, it comes with certain challenges. How to keep your home cool, comfortable, but especially dry. I've been helping a lot of homeowners right here in this area in coastal North Carolina get to the root cause of why they have comfort and moisture problems in their home. See, I'm more than just an HVAC contractor. I take a whole home approach called the Comfort Consultation, where I test the home and I get to the root cause of why many homes in this area are not only uncomfortable, but also humid and unhealthy. Let me share with you that Comfort Consultation now. Why schedule a comfort consultation? Well, imagine going to the doctor because you're experiencing foot pain. And without any testing or even getting your blood pressure and weight or other vitals, the doctor quickly prescribes expensive medication and surgery. Would you trust that doctor? Likely not. A good doctor would take x-rays and other tests to properly diagnose the problem. And in some cases, you may not need medication and surgery at all, rather just some rest and some physical therapy. See, if you don't first test, then you're only guessing. The old adage that prescription without diagnosis is malpractice applies to home comfort and air quality too. Our comfort consultation is the battery of tests needed to diagnose hot and cold spots, moisture problems, odors, dust and allergies inside, high utility bills, and even before you buy a home, we can help you understand whether that home may be unhealthy. We take a house as a system approach. What does that mean? Your house has a thermal shell called the envelope. The envelope separates the inside climate from the extreme climate swings outside. Your home HVAC system is only part of a larger system that maintains comfort and health inside. The HVAC and envelope should work together, which means that if your HVAC is too small or even too big, you'll definitely have problems. When they don't work together as a system, your home is uncomfortable and moisture problems will develop. Some envelopes are leaky because that's just how the house is built. This allows heat and moisture to travel in and out in an uncontrolled manner. The HVAC system cannot keep up with moisture swings, and the home stays humid and can even get unhealthy. The Comfort Consultation measures how leaky the home is. Air sealing the home will reduce those leaks. Insulation in the walls, floors, and ceilings help the summer heat and winter cold stay outside. If your home needs more insulation, our tests will reveal that, even if the insulation can't be accessed because it's behind walls or above the ceiling. Your HVAC ducts deliver cool air in the summer, but if the ducts are leaky, some of that cool air is wasted. But even worse, these leaks can create potential pressure imbalances that pull heat, humidity, and air pollutants from the outdoors and even places like attics and crawl spaces. The house is a system of all these control layers, including the HVAC. Our Comfort Consultation measures how well they're working together. Here's how the Comfort Consultation process goes. We start with a comfort survey. You'll provide answers to a series of questions regarding the challenges that you're facing in your home so that we can focus our attention better. Then we'll schedule the site visit. This typically will take all day. Depending on the size of the house and the number of HVAC systems we'll need to test, we may need to return a second day to finish up. Our site visit requires us to have access to all rooms and areas in the home. We'll be taking a lot of pictures too. We'll also need to have Wi-Fi access, so if you have a guest Wi-Fi password, we'll want you to provide it. Also, our process can be a little much for small children and pets, since we're moving from room to room, opening doors to the outside, and operating equipment that they're not used to being around. We ask that you arrange for children to enjoy the day at someone else's home, and for pets to be outside or kenneled. We'll be photo documenting a lot of things on that day. We'll take pictures inside and outside, even in attics, crawl spaces, and other areas. We'll be looking for signs of air leaks, moisture problems, poor insulation, and the like. You'll get our photos at the end for your records. We'll also perform what is known as a manual J heat load calculation using an app called Conduit Tech. This app scans the dimensions of your home and then builds a virtual 3D model and tells us what size heating and cooling equipment should be installed. We can then compare it with what size HVAC you actually have installed. Then we'll test your HVAC system, looking at the ductwork, the condition of the equipment, and a performance check that goes above and beyond what any AC technician would normally do when maintaining your system. Our goal is to see how much heating and cooling your system produces, and then compare it with how much it should be producing. We can then tell you how efficient your system is running, comparing with the efficiency rating that you were sold on when you purchased it. Another test we run checks how your home reacts to opening and closing doors when the HVAC and mechanical systems run. We're looking for pressure imbalances, especially depressurization, since that will pull heat, moisture, and air pollutants inside. In our area, this is a major cause of home comfort problems, but it is fixable. We'll also perform a blower door test. This calculates how leaky your home is. The blower door also accentuates the leaks by depressurizing the home so that we can see them using a high-resolution thermal camera. We'll document where these leaks are so that they can be sealed later. We'll also temporarily install an air quality monitor from Haven IAQ. This device monitors temperature, humidity, dust particles, and chemical levels in the home over a 2-week period. You'll also have access to the monitor via the Haven Homeowner app. You'll get weekly reports and alerts. You may like the Haven Monitor and app so much that you'll want to keep it. We're happy to talk to you about that too. At the end of the day, you'll receive our field report with all the photos taken, our measurements, and other data. This customized report separates the systems in your home into categories that all get a grade similar to a school grade. Although we don't draw any conclusions at the end of that day, we'll be happy to show you areas that we think need more attention. About 2 weeks later, after we've had the opportunity to look over all the data, we'll send you a final report. This report condenses all the pictures and data into an easy-to-read document that summarizes our findings. It includes a 2-week Haven indoor air quality report as well. At the end of the report, we'll give you an itemized list of recommendations to improve your home, starting with what's most important and what will give you the shortest return on investment. We'll provide budget pricing, and for any of the services that we don't offer ourselves, we'll refer you to one of our trusted partners. Our comfort consultation will help you get back to enjoying being inside your home. After watching this, you may think, wow, that is a lot of work. And it is. And it takes a certain level of expertise. When we get the data that we need, we can focus our efforts on what will solve the problems. We don't waste your money trying to chase solutions that won't work. Your home is your haven. You deserve to be healthy and comfortable in your own home. Let us help you get there. Are you ready to get started? You can find us online at comfortsciencesolutions.com or call the number below. I hope to talk to you soon.